Hey guys, I'm Igor, the maker of TinyAdz, and I got a lot of questions from you regarding how the sponsorship works. So today I decided to make a short video to explain how it actually works, and apply to my directory that called all scripted tools. I use already the TinyAdz here as well. So there is add modules, there is corner pop-up, and there is form that actually generates some submissions. Just yesterday we got one from this guy. And so it works. And I have this area here that I also want to use to generate some revenue. And what I can do here, I can put cards here that could be sold out, and yeah, I get some revenue. So how I can do that? We have sponsorship model for this, right? So the way it works is that it gives a few scripts that could be used to render some cards that would be sold out. And also there is a checkout form that's similar to Unicorn directory form if you've seen it before. So it's like this, but for this specific purpose only, for sponsorship. And yes, it's possible to use your own PayPal and Stripe here, but by default, we allow to use TinyAdz, Stripe, and PayPal, but there would be extra 20% fee. And so let's try to enable the model. It's enabled, so there are a few things happened in the background. We generated some scripts, etc., and we can easily install it. Yeah, so when we want to install it, we actually get this one. These two cards is just an example, and it's possible to change that. Here we have two cards, and these two cards is basically handled by these two toggles, right? So this first one is a kind of example of default ad. You can fill it with your product, with product of your friend or whatever. So it's something that you would like to show to other users how their kind of sponsorship card could look like, right? And second one is something that would be giving you an option to get user into checkout flow. So this try for a week will open a pop-up with all the information required to fill in to actually get the submission and the payment. You can change the UI of that section, so you can switch to slider, you can switch to single card. In case of single card, for sure, there will be no option to have different slots here, but just one. And rows, right, which is similar to cards. So let's just try to go with cards because I think it's a better one, and customize the UI a little bit. So I think probably not blue, but a little bit gray here. I will make orange here for better visibility, and I will use same orange color here. Yeah, something like this. So the colors actually adapted. So the white, the text color is changed based on the background. The buttons the same, and yeah, I want to align to the left. So they would be appearing on the left. And now let's just copy the script. Go to Unicorn platform that I use for directory, and I just add a script like this. And edit component, put it here. And basically it's all. It should be enough to get the cards rendered. Yeah, that's how it looks. And it works pretty well, but I don't like the background, and I want them to be aligned. We need to do some extra styles in Unicorn platform. I have prepared a few. So I just changed the background here and put some margin on the left side of the iframe that we use to render the cards. So let's see how it works now. Yep, that works pretty well. So that's it, basically. We can use the checkout form that's available right on this button. So when I press it, the checkout form pops, and let me fill the data here just to do the so say here my next wrapper. I just here by now to be my next wrapper tone, and that's the slots that I can use, right? So I can say that I want to have it this time, and here's my email, and basically it's also we have price for this. It's I can try it for a week. And what we have here is basically checkout form, which we can use PayPal or we can use Stripe, put a test order as admins. I will do that to not show the process of payment itself because it's quite straightforward. That's it, right? So we did the payment. So I can go to TinyAdz platform now and open the sponsorship module again. And here I see the submission, and we can change it, right? So we can do some changes here, like so it's available actually today. And now if we go back to the directory, we can actually find my card appeared here. So it's fully working. I didn't spend any second to put it here. It just automatically appears here. Yeah, that's pretty it. I can hide it if needed. I can change the settings afterwards. I can change the UI again. I can change code form here. I can update some kind of like button or text, titles, descriptions. Some of changes not available today, so it's not possible to change these labels or placeholders. I can change that in my kind of like super admin panel, but it's not available in UI to simplify the process. But if you have something to update, let me know. I will update it for you. And that's it. That's all I want to share with you. I hope it will answer most of the questions you have, guys. Let me know if you get some questions, suggestions, issues, I'm here to help. Just talk to me through this chat. Thank you.